But before we start, guess what kind of card game we will play? What is a multiplayer card game in which the objective is to be the first player to get rid of all cards in their hand? A. Poker, B. Uno, C. Gin Rummy, D. Blackjack. The correct answer is Uno. So I'm gonna tackle what are some rules, benefits, advantages of playing Uno card game and how it is played. Another wild card. They also call out the color for the wild card, forcing the next player to use that color for play. The wild card can be played even if the player has another playable card. Wild Draw 4. This card forces the next player to draw 4 cards and skip their turn as if it were the skip card. Unlike the wild card, the Wild Draw 4 card cannot be played if the player has a card with the same color and or number as the face-up card. This card looks like a wild card with a +4 symbol on it. And these are some of the benefits and advantages of playing Uno. Provide hours of fun and entertainment. Develops fine motor skills. Provides a fun way for kids to learn to count and do basic mathematics. Encourages appropriate, fun, social interaction. Enhances strategic thinking. Develops a methodical approach for setting goals and achieving them. Provides a better understanding of the unpredictability of life. It also enhances memory and also teaches the importance of rule following. So let's go to the exciting part. We will play and show you how this game really works. Just enjoy watching and learn. We have observed and analyzed, Uno cards are a great math learning tool for all ages. This is great for building social skills, which can be used in many multiplayer games, like taking turns, following the rules, and being a good winner or loser. It also helps us focus on logical thinking, forming strategy and reasoning while deciding on the choice of the card to be picked during a particular turn. It is undeniable that the benefits and advantages of playing Uno are great for both children and adults. If you want to expand your mind, develop and grow as a person, and have fun with the family or friends while doing so, grab a pack of Uno cards and get ready to battle it out for the win.